Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a Taobao account so you can start shopping from a China's biggest online marketplace. So here, open your browser. So go to Taobao's website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play so you can also have their website. And next is you need to click the register button, so which might be in Chinese, so you can look for translation in the top right corner. And next is you can choose your country code here. You need to enter your mobile number and slide the bar to verify. And you will receive a verification code, and then you need to enter the code to move on to the next step. And now you can set your username and password. So you can also add an email address if you like. So here you can see here, you'll be able to see here this part. So here you'll be able to see that the language is now English, and you need to tap on the sign in button to create an account. So you'll be able to see this one. So password and login. And that's it guys. That's how you create a Taobao account. Like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to shop and dropship from China.